Finally, there is a whole bunch of manufacturing services in case you're starting a large or long-term research project. These services include custom bead or plate coupling for ELISAs, proquantum, and procardioplex assays. This is a covalent coupling of antibodies or proteins to polystyrene magnetic beads, or custom plate coating to enable consistency across experiments. Lead time for this service is 4 weeks. Additional services listed here include bulk filling and special packaging to save space in your laboratory for less waste and better use of storage space or high throughput automation needs. So you can request additional components or special information on those components, special formulation. And last service listed here is lot reservation. Again, if you are running a large project and it's really important to you consistency between lots, you can place this request for multiple kits from a single lot for large or long-term studies. My name is Elen Ortenberg, and I'm Senior Technical Specialist with Biomarker Discovery and Validated Assays. If you don't know where to start, how to approach your project, if you under tight deadlines or don't have staff to run your experiments, please reach out to us or go to thermofisher.com and search for custom services.